let's get into this and see what we have here. Okay, so these are the panels. So here are the feet and the side supports, and then we've got the bag of all the hardware. Well, we have one panel on. I found that it was much easier to slide the second piece into place from an upright position. Moving on to the third panel. Here is our completed panel. You can see in our case, it's not for privacy, it's for a design element in the yard. I'm actually probably going to be getting an additional one for here and here so that it can be a bigger design element, possibly with some plant material between it, but I'm just trying to make it kind of an architectural feature or an art kind of feature. So far, I'm really happy with the product. Took me probably about an hour to put it all together, and it wasn't too hard. The finish looks good. The quality looks good. It's substantial, but not so much that it's like unwieldy to handle. So I just wanted to get one of these up so that I could really assess how does it look and do I want more? And I think the answer is yeah, I think I do want more.